Acura has brought the Pike Peak into its production model. The new handcraft Acura TLX Type S PMC edition. 3 stunning colors, folks. Yes, the TLX Type S PMC edition is going to get the PMC treatment, handcrafted in Acura's Performance Manufacturing Center, previewed in 3 NSX derived colors, Curva Red, 130R white, and a Long Beach blue. Unique accents include the Berlina black roof and a copper 20-inch lightweight wheels. First TLX Type S PMC edition planned for the production later this year, and it is going to be awesome, folks. I mean, just take a look at it. The best performance Acura sedan ever to hit the road, folks. Yes, the technology and the materials and the craftsmanship from the NSX supercar with the new limited production 2023 TLX Type S PMC edition. The 5th vehicle handcrafted by the same master technicians that built the NSX Type S at the Performance Manufacturing Center in Ohio. Offered in one of the 3 NSX derived premium colors, Curva Red, 130R white, and a Long Beach blue. The limited production run TLX Type S PMC edition is going to be available later this year. And look how fantastic this is. They took a lot of technology from Pikes Peak and made it into something. And yes, we have the PMC edition, folks. This is going to be fantastic, folks. Just a fantastic car, conquering Pikes Peak. The exterior design elements exclusive to the PMC edition includes the Berlina black paint for the roof, the antennae, and the door handles, and the black chrome quad exhaust finishers. The NSX-inspired wide-spoke 20-inch lightweight wheels are also painted in a new copper finish. A first for the Acura model. Additional exterior enhancements includes the carbon fiber deck lid, a lip spoiler, a carbon fiber roof diffuser, and a lower side sill garnish, and the gloss black exterior badging. What a perfect sedan, folks. What a perfect sedan. This is going to be one fantastic automobile. Now, on the inside, it's going to be distinguished by carbon fiber interior, trim panels, illuminated side sills, premium floor mats with the Type S badge, and the colored accents binding the vehicle. The finish in Curva Red paint features the ebony interior highlighted by the red contrast stitching and a Long Beach blue pearl and paint with an eye-popping orchid interior with the striking blue stitching, while the 130R white is paired exclusively with a sporty red interior, Milano leather seats, ultra suede inserts are standard and individually numbered. Serial plaque is also going to be added to add that personalization, folks. Yes, you have one out of whatever number is going to be made. This is going to be one fantastic machine. Yes. Hand-built, assembled in the manufacturing center. The PMC, painted in that beautiful NSX premium nano pigment paint. Curva Red, 130R white, Long Beach blue. Carbon fiber deck lid spoiler, carbon fiber rear diffuser, lightweight copper wide spoke wheels, black lug nuts, Pirelli P0 summer tires, 255, 35, Berlina black roof panel, antennae, Berlina black door handles, black chrome exhaust finishers. This is going to be one fantastic machine, folks. You guys, the time has come. The new handcrafted Acura TLX Type S PMC edition. 3 stunning, beautiful colors. This is Automotive Reviews. Thanks for watching. Remember, like, share, and subscribe, and have a fantastic day. And I tell you, this driver took this car through the limits. Thanks for coming by. Automotive Reviews.